Hello guys, guess what? I'm doing liquid soap production today again, but in a different way. Watch out. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time, I know. Welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome to the family. Please do subscribe, then like or comment. Please, it's very important. Thank you. And don't forget to press your notification bell. In any time I post a video, you'll be notified. Thank you for coming. God bless you. Thank you. And for those that are asking questions, that's why producing their liquid soap, they are getting something, blah, blah, blah. Please, when you are making your liquid soap, you have to be careful because little mistakes cause you a lot of trouble. You'll be finding the way to correct it. You'll be finding how to correct it. Just please be careful when you're making your liquid soap. So don't forget, you've been following my video, I always post it and I always talk about how to mix your liquid soap. Don't forget that you dilute your powder chemicals first before mixing. Dilute it in a little water before putting it, combining them. Then after everything, you put your liquid chemical, which is your testapol and sulfonic acid. Then all that goes in anyhow. Please be careful when you are making your liquid soap. Be careful. It is very easy to make, but very, very funny to correct, because when you make a mistake like this, to get over it, to correct it, it's a lot of problem. Just please be careful. Now we are going to make a liquid soap today. After getting your chemicals ready, the next thing to do is mixing your chemicals in the water. In my previous video, I listed out everything you need for your liquid soap production, and I also stated the simple mistake you should avoid. The simple mistake you should avoid in while making your liquid soap. So if you really need it, if you need to know, you have to go back to the video. Then you watch it very well. What I'm doing right here is I'm diluting the chemicals, the powder one, in a little water before combining it in the general one, which is the water in the bath, before combining them. So now I'm putting them, my nitrosol is going into the water, the water, the big one, while the caustic soda, soda ash, my SL, everything, I'm going to mix them in the small bowl before combining them. So you have to be careful when you are making your liquid soap. The simple mistake can cause you a lot of trouble. You now be looking for how to correct them. It's very stressful. To avoid that, you have to be careful while you are making your liquid soap. The first thing to do is to dilute your powder chemicals in a small bowl. Dilute them in a small bowl before combining. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. As you're looking at it, I'm diluting my chemicals, my powder one in the small bowl before adding them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you. Two things has been added into this water, into this big bowl. The first one is nitrosol, and the second one is the caustic soda. After adding my nitrosol into the water, I mixed it, then I added my caustic soda. That is the second thing that must go into the big bowl. Don't forget, I've diluted it into the small bowl, in the small water, in a small bowl, and combining it in the big bowl. So the third one that will go into the water now is soda ash. Soda ash is the third one that is going into the water. As you can see, I'm adding my soda ash into the the first and the second mixture. So look at it, it's turning out, it's turning out. So don't forget, the first thing to go into the big bowl is your nitrous, so you don't need to dilute that one. You can add that one straight for, since it's into the water. You can add it, but be careful when you are mixing it. It's like your powder milk, so that one is like a powder milk. So after mixing that one, you mix your caustic soda. And when you're mixing all your chemicals together, always be careful. You can see I'm putting on my glove. Always be careful, because those chemicals are too powerful. They are dangerous for your skin. So be careful when you are mixing your liquid soap. So now I've added my soda ash. The next thing to do is to mix them very well. You can see that it's coming out. You should mix them very well and very carefully. So now, the first one, don't forget, is nitrosol. The second one is my caustic soda that I mix in a small bowl. And the third one is the soda ash that I also mix in a small bowl. So you can see what I'm getting. So the fourth one that is going now, I called it rice. So it looks like rice. When you see it, is white. So it looks like it looks like rice. So look at it. It's the fourth one that goes into the water. Is the one I'm mixing now. I've added my fourth chemical, which is rice, that I mix in a small bowl. So you mix very carefully. Mix very well. So now I've added it. You can see it's turning out, it's turning out, it's turning out, it's turning out. So the other one that I'm having, every other thing can come up. The only thing you need is the foundation, which is the nitrosol in this big bowl. Then the second one is the caustic soda. The third one is your soda ash. So after adding them, there's no issue. So now I'm adding more water, because I started with a little water. I always begin, if I'm making 25 liters of liquid soap, I always begin with like a 10 liters of my water, because I don't want it to be watery. Beginning, I don't want it to be watery. So as I'm mixing, I'm adding more water. As I'm mixing, I'm adding more water. Depend on the texture of you need. So I don't want it to be watery. I don't want it to be too thick. So now I'm adding them. Yes, you can see. The other one I'm adding now is SLS. So I'm adding my SLS right now. So all the chemicals, if you add, the only three things you need to add first is your nitrosol, caustic soda, and your soda ash. Other things can come anytime. They can come in anytime. Everything you put your hand, go walk. After mixing all my powder chemicals together in a big bowl, the next thing I'm going to be doing is mixing my liquid chemicals together, which I'm doing right now. I'm mixing the testapod and sulfonic acid with my foam booster. I'm mixing them together in a separate bowl, because they are liquid. So I mix them together to give me what I want. So now I'm mixing my testapod, sulfonic acid, and my foam booster. So I'm mixing the three together. The other what can come later is my perfume and my color. So but now the liquid chemical that I'm mixing are testapod, sulfonic acid, and my foam booster. You can see I've mixed them. I'm done mixing. So the next thing to do now is to add them. That is to add them into the big bowl. I always advise my viewers to stick to one method. You watch this one today, you want to do it. You watch this method today, you want to do it. You watch another method tomorrow, you want to do it. You will end up doing wrong thing. This method, I've been using it more than 1 year now. I've been using it more than 1 year. So now stick to one method that you think is very easier for you to do. Thank you very much for watching. And now that I'm done mixing my liquid chemicals, so the next thing is to put my perfume or color. Anyone can come in anytime, so they have no effect. So you can put your color first or your perf, and you can decide to put your perf before your color. But this time around, oh my goodness, I pick lemon colors. You will see my color. I pick lemon color, and my perf is combination. I like 3 perfume, combined them together, so it gives me a good smell. So now I'm going to be adding my color. This is my lemon color that I picked. I'm going to be adding my colors. So see my color, I picked lemon. So nice. I just decided to pick lemon. I usually use blue, green, or this thing. So my perf was so nice too. Anyone can come in anytime, and that is the end of the production. The only thing that remains is for you to just put them in anywhere you want to put them. Is that in your 25 liters keg or in your small keg, maybe 75 cl, or your boat, anywhere you want to put them. But right now we are done producing liquid soap. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. God bless you. Don't forget to share the video. Someone needs this. Someone needs this. It's very profitable, you know. It's very profitable if you know how to make it. It's very profitable. You can be in your house while producing liquid soap and making money. The only thing is to make it very well. Thank you for watching the video once again. Don't forget, before you go, you subscribe, you like, comment, then you share. Never forget the bell. Press the notification bell. Anytime I post any video, anytime I put video in there, you will see. Thank you. Goodbye.
Long life go follow you, strangers go favor you, great men go honor you. Amen, amen. One day you go sign the check, oh. You self go drive that Benz, oh. This life go still make sense, oh. Amen. Your children go make you proud, oh. Bad people no go pull you down, no. One day you go run this town, oh. Amen, amen. You self go spray me money, baby go call you honey. You self go host the party. Amen, amen. Dangote go be your friend. Otedola go be your friend. Adenuga go be your guy. Amen, amen. Elubelu go